Yo. Monday morning, coffee in hand. Colleague walks in with a surprise in the bag. Office don't come, zoo. He could be mad, oh. At the end of office, picking no death, yeah. Can't jump on the desk like say again, yeah.
High fives, they scatter.
Keyboard they shake, boss they look like who bring this up quick.
Meow, meow, enough the coffee mug.
Liquid they flow like saying a river flood.
Paper tongue wet.
Spreadsheet on the lead, everybody they shout it's sweet but it's sweet.
Chest scrape back.
People they run, this small animal don't turn walk to fun.
Not taken, not taken.
Bet for the cubicle.
Chaos, come begin, not taken, not taken.
Who bring this card, come walk today.
Meow, not taken. Chest scrape, not taken.
Office pet drama.
Giggle the rain.
Now we they chase the laser.
From the mouse.
Running around the cubicle like eBay house. Printer start to jam.
Paper they fly.
Colleague they laugh.
Manager they cry.
Lunchbox open.
He they smell the fish.
One lead, one swipe.
Everything finished.
Boss they call HR.
It's no big job.
But he catches the pose like he they vote.
Not taken, not taken.
That for the cubicle.
Chaos, come begin, not taken, not taken.
Who bring this car, come walk today.
Meow, not taken. Chest scrape, not taken.
Office pet drama.
Giggle the rain.
Maybe
Up under the desk. Maybe hide from the stress. Maybe this cat kept it up plan.
let this boring meeting where they drive.
Not taken, not taken.
That for the cubicle.
Every single day, not taken, not taken.
But tomorrow we go do them again anyway.
Meow, not taken. Chest scrape, not taken.
Maybe now.
A broad cut with record scratch.
Final percussion, yeah.
Baby, now.